Where did we come from? Who built the first cities, the first farms, the very foundations of civilization? For centuries, we've looked at dusty artifacts and ancient ruins for answers. But the full story, the epic journey of our ancestors, has been locked away in a place we never thought to look: our own DNA. Now, thanks to groundbreaking analysis of ancient DNA, we can finally unlock that story. We can trace the people who transformed our world, shifting from a life of hunting and gathering to building the first empires. Welcome to the story of the Southern Arc. This vast region, stretching from the Balkans across to the Caucasus and down into the Levant, was a crossroads of humanity. It was the cradle where our modern world was born. Let's journey back 12,000 years to the dawn of agriculture in the Fertile Crescent. For a long time, we thought farming was invented in one place and then spread out. But the truth is far more complex and exciting. It wasn't a single event, but a vibrant tapestry of migration, interaction, and mixing. Picture this: two major waves of people, one moving from the heart of Mesopotamia and another from the Levant, began to travel. As they moved, they didn't just conquer or replace the people they met. They mixed. They met local hunter-gatherer, as in a place we now call Anatolia, modern-day Turkey. And there, in that melting pot, they merged. They shared knowledge, they shared cultures, and most importantly, they shared their genes. This fusion created a unique genetic foundation, a new kind of people who would carry the seeds of farming across the world. This isn't just a theory. It's a story told by science. Our journey is based on a landmark study that analyzed over 700 ancient genomes. Think about that. 700 individuals who lived thousands of years ago. Their genetic secrets finally revealed. By looking at their DNA, we can trace their descendants through the millennia. We can see how the genetic legacy of these first Anatolian farmers didn't just disappear. It became the bedrock for the great civilizations of the Bronze Age. From the legendary Sumerians in Mesopotamia, who gave us writing and the wheel, to the mighty Mycenaean Greeks, the heroes of the Trojan War. Their DNA carries the signature of those early Anatolian farmers. This genetic thread weaves through history, connecting seemingly distant cultures. We can follow this thread all the way to the Roman Empire. It is astonishing to find a direct genetic link between the farmers who first tilled the soil in Anatolia 10,000 years ago and the citizens walking the streets of ancient Rome. So, how did this spread happen? It wasn't just about farming technology. It was about people. The descendants of these Anatolian farmers migrated in all directions. They moved west into the Aegean, bringing agriculture to Europe. They moved east, back into the Levant and Mesopotamia, sharing their new farming techniques and further diversifying the gene pool. It was a dynamic process, a constant ebb and flow of people and ideas. For example, when we look at the Caucasus region, nestled between the Black and Caspian Seas, we find something fascinating. During the Chalcolithic, or Copper Age, there was a significant migration from the south. These weren't invaders. They were descendants of those Mesopotamian and Levantine farmers who had mixed in Anatolia. They brought their genes and their know-how, contributing to the vibrant cultures that would emerge in the Caucasus. Like the famous Makop culture, known for its incredible metalwork, this story completely changes our understanding of the past. History isn't just a tale of kings and conquests. It's a story of ordinary people, of farmers and families moving across the land, sharing and building something new together. The rise of civilization wasn't a story of one group dominating another. It was a story of collaboration. Migration, fusion, and shared knowledge are the true engines of human progress. And what's most incredible is that this ancient history is not distant from us. It's alive within us. The DNA of these pioneering farmers from the Southern Arc flows in the veins of billions of people. Today, from Europe to South Asia, every time we eat a piece of bread or look at a city skyline, we are witnessing the legacy of their great journey. This is more than just a history lesson. It's the story of who we are. It shows us that our roots are intertwined, that we are all part of a grand, sprawling human family tree. The story of the first farmers is a testament to our species' ability to adapt, innovate, and connect. It's a story written in the language of our genes, a story that proves we are, and always have been, stronger together. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through time. If you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into our shared past. See you next time.